Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we'll start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because it will be transferred to our website where you can check all of the codes I'll present you today with some additional information in the description, but also many more tutorials regarding this device. Alright, so let me open the dialer and let's start with the shortest codes. The first one is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK. And let me show you another code which is pretty similar to the previous one. It is *##07#. And thanks to it, we can enter the certificate. So basically, we can check the model of our device and other information. Let's go back. Now let me show you another code: *###, 225 *###. And here we are in the calendar info, so here we can check all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code. It is *##426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostics. So here you can check the server, host, port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And here we've got more information, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code for today's video, which is also a technical one. It is *##4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone info, for example, where you can find the information just like the email number again, car network, data service, voice service, etc. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you will have your SIM card inserted. Here you can run ping tests if you want to. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let's go back. Here we've got usage statistics. Basically, for some reason, this option does not work, but usually you will have the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device, and you can sort them by usage time, last time use, or app name. But as you can see, for some reason, it does not work at all in many devices. So here we've got also the Wi-Fi information, the API configuration, or the status of it. You can check it just by tapping on a specific section. We can refresh the stats and check the information about our Wi-Fi. So for example, the network status SID or network ID. We can also run ping test right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.